Hey everyone, just thought I'd bring you a funny soundbite bought that was created actually by one of the guys in our Discord today. It's in regards to market makers, liquidations, how Hong Kong, London, they build liquidity, and then New York comes in with the violence to take it all. Yeah, it's amazing what AI can put together, but it's very fitting, very funny. I thought I'd bring it to you.
Shots look sweet, but they turn me wrong. Short the top, it runs too strong. Along the bottom, I get played. Every move leaves me betrayed. You're gonna eat the cake again. HK in London, great bakers. But New York are the big takers. Liquidation, liquidation. Market makers making no vacation. Liquidation, liquidation. I'm just diggling my own frustration. Shots look sweet, but they turn me wrong. Short the top, it runs too strong. Long the bottom, I get played. Every move leaves me betrayed. You come to eat the cake again. HK in London, great bakers. But New York are the big takers.